Jspeed here. What's up, all you fellow YouTubers, Jspeed fans? Just showing you a little quick video here. I don't know, maybe your four-wheeler or your scooter or something needs a new battery in it. This is how you basically reconnect for a 12-volt system. This is 4 7.2-volt batteries hooked in series parallel. Notice the symbols. Notice the connections. Your plus and minus are going to come off the plus and the minus on this side. Positive and negative. And this is how the other side will look. Notice the symbols. Notice the reconnection at the terminals. Just like that. Jspeed, peace out. Happy building. How to make a 12 volt out of 4 7.2 volt batteries. Series parallel.